Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VBIV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Very nice movement on this one today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. I will say, though, that from a presentation standpoint, this is a tricky chart to talk about because of all the perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you were some sort of day trader, scalper, flipper, and you bought there or there, and your plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes, well, then yeah, from that point of view, the chart's looking pretty rough. Now, if you care about the big picture of things, yeah, the price from the highs did pull back, but from the grand scheme of it all, the price does still have plenty of opportunity to chip away and build an overall higher base, and that's how long-term uptrends are constructed, just higher bases being put in place over extended periods of time. I am going to be talking about things from a bigger picture point of view. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you probably had more of a day trader type mentality going into all this. And I'm not saying the price is headed down here, but just for explanation's sake and really show, how the overall chart is still plenty bullish. But let's say that the price actually pulls down to $1.15. So price comes down to $1.15, behaves in that manner, and then begins to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation from the big picture? So emphasis on big picture. Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this lows down here. You'd have these lows down here. And if you envision each of these as stair steps, what do you have? Well, from the big picture, you'd still very clearly have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, that progress point being defined as $1.15. Once again, I get it. If you're a day trader or scalper and you bought up there, you don't care about these stair steps, but that's why I try to offer up a warning that it would be commenting from the bigger picture point of view. So sure, today the price pulled back, but stop and think about that word today, as in one day. Looking at multiple days as we're doing here, you can see the price does still have plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.